Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I upload new videos at least once a week. Usually there's something tea related. Sometimes I change it up a little bit, but today I'm sticking with my tea theme and I'm doing a review and first impression of another tea from DAVIDSTea. So I have tried two teas now from their wellness collection that they brought out in January. I'm a little behind on the new teas. They have brought out a new Valentine's Day collection since then, but there were so many teas to try in this one that I think I'm going to continue another week or two with the wellness collection. I have tried the Choco Chaga Detox, and I was planning to make a video on the ginger turmeric tonic, which is a green tea. If you know me, you know I love green tea, and that one was so amazing because there was even popped rice in it. It was like a genmaicha sort of vibe, but then it also had my other favorite kind of tea, ginger, so it was like heaven for me. And I meant to record a video of it, but my camera ended up like not really working, so I just drank it for my own enjoyment, and I gotta say it's one of my new favorite teas probably ever. But today I'm doing a new one. I am trying the Honey Ginseng Defense, which is an oolong tea. Okay, let's get that tea steeping so we can move on and check out the ingredients. It has a very strong smell just from here. Oh my God, I see really big pieces of ginger, which for me, that's really exciting. All right, let's set this little guy to the side and check out that loose tea. Let's just go ahead and read those ingredients. Honey Ginseng Defense, oolong tea. Boost your defenses with this restorative oolong tea with ginseng, ginger, and goji. The ingredients are oolong tea, goji berries, ginger, marigold blossoms, ginseng, natural honey, and goji berry flavoring. You know I love an oolong. I love like the magical way that the leaves like open up when you steep them. So let's give this a smell. It smells kind of strong. It smells super floral actually. So a little while ago, when I worked at DAVIDSTea still, it was discontinued in the time that I was there, but they had a tea called Yogi Berry, and it was an oolong tea as well with berries in it. It was like ginger and berries, so if that was a tea you liked, you might want to go for this one. It's not super similar, but it is similar in that there's a berry involved, goji berries, and there's ginger in it. Smells a little similar. That one was definitely a really strong berry tea. And this one I guess is a little lighter, but when I first opened the bag, I was surprised how strong the smell was. I love that oolong is the first ingredient on the list. That means this tea is mostly oolong and everything else like comes after that, which I love. I love for my teas to be tea and for them to taste like tea. So here is just a little scoop of what it looks like. I see goji berries, I see those marigold petals, and I absolutely see those oolong leaves. And it smells fruity. It definitely does. It doesn't smell like it's primarily ginger. I definitely smell the goji berries and the flower petals. But what's unique about this is these pieces of ginger are literally huge. Like it looks like if you cut up some ginger at home, like if your average person chopped up some ginger, it would be like this. Like it's not like little tiny baby pieces like I usually see in teas. Like these pieces of ginger don't mess around. Like these are some serious pieces of ginger. As far as I know, I think ginseng is like an energizing ingredient. So I'm just gonna look up ginseng and see what I can find. Okay, so ginseng is a root like ginger. So it might actually not, you know how I said that these pieces of ginger are huge? That might be the ginseng. It might not actually even be the ginger, which is really interesting. This website is medicalnewstoday.com. And it says that ginseng are believed to boost energy, lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, reduce stress, promote relaxation, treat diabetes, and then there's kind of a weird one that's not super appropriate, so I'm not gonna go into that one. But the main benefits that ginseng is kind of known for are energizing properties. It can help your like brain function. It's anti-inflammatory, which we find a lot of really great anti-inflammatory ingredients in tea. Even in just tea itself without any added ingredients is really awesome for inflammation. It's just like any other ingredient. You can't really say like this will lower your blood pressure, like this will improve your brain function. Different things can affect different people in different ways. So with anything, you want to take those things with a grain of salt, and you want to just be like, okay, this might help me, this might, you know, just taste good. It's hard to make those kinds of claims like solidly because we don't really know. So ginseng might just be like a cool like buzzword, as could be like any of the teas in this like wellness collection. I like the intention of like it's helping you to like feel good and helping you like get healthy. I think that's a really great intention to like start the year off. Just a good intention to live by. Like try to give your body things that are gonna like help you like be healthy and feel really good. But also I think it's important for it to taste good and be delicious and be just an overall enjoyable experience to like drink a cup of tea or like the foods you eat. It's good to like strive to eat things that are going to take care of your body and make you healthy, but also I think you should eat and drink things that are gonna make you happy too. So for me, I'm most looking forward to trying this tea because I love the taste of oolong teas and I love the taste of ginger. So I'm really looking forward to those aspects of this tea, and it smells really good. So you know I can't very well not dump out the tea leaves and show you the magic of the oolong leaf. So here we go with that. This is the leaf. Those tiny little balls I showed you in the perfect spoon have unraveled into this giant, it looks like a bay leaf. It smells really good. So that is what oolong does, and I just think it's so fascinating. It's almost like a butterfly transformation to me. I'm just so like wowed by it and in awe of it. Oh my god, look at this one. Like literally it looks like a butterfly like cocoon. It's 2 leaves on a branch. So I just love like little clues that show like, hey, these are sourced from nature. So this tea is all like kind of natural ingredients. I'm surprised it's not all organic, but you can tell with this tea, it's like super like see-through. A lot of teas, like the one I tried last week, that Chaga, that like chocolate Chaga one was very opaque and you couldn't like see through it at all because it had such rich ingredients and it had like the Chaga powder. But this one, I can tell it's gonna be such a light, clean experience because it's like so clear and light, and it just has like that smell, like it almost smells like a perfume. It's so floral. I'm sure I'm getting the floral smell from the marigold petals, but I'm thinking also maybe like the honey flavor. One of my favorite teas ever that I literally like hoard this tea. It's one of my very favorites. It's a sleepy time tea called Honey Lullaby from a few years ago. They did like a nighttime treats collection at DaVIDSTea, and it is so good. It's like a chamomile, but it has cornflower petals and rose petals in it, and it tastes like honey, and it reminds me of like Sleeping Beauty as a tea. It's just like so wonderful, and it tastes so good. So I'm thinking that this might be like a good daytime version of that just by the smell, because I'm getting that like beautiful floral aspect from the smell. All right, I guess there's nothing left to do but to try it. It's still a little hot, but I'm gonna go for it because I'm really excited and I can't wait any longer. Let's see. The ginger is light. It's kind of interesting because usually, I mean, the teas I love the most have such strong ginger, but in this tea, ginger is the 3rd ingredient, so it's more tea than ginger, and it's more goji berry than ginger as well. And you know, I do get a little bit, I don't really know what ginseng is meant to taste like, if this is it or not. But I am getting like a bit of a medicinal sort of taste, but not bad, nothing bad. Like it tastes like a root, which ginseng is a root like ginger. So I'm getting the ginger, but I'm getting like a little something else that I think is the ginseng. I really like it. I think it's really, it's definitely like kind of what I expected. I was expecting sort of a clean taste, a clean, crisp sort of taste going on, and I'm getting that. It's really good. I think it's really nice. So there's nothing crazy strong in it. So like for me, I do like a lot more ginger. I love ginger. But I like in this tea that the ginger isn't overpowering everything else. Because I mean, sometimes it tends to. Everything kind of goes together and it tastes like a tea. It's fun to try teas with all crazy ingredients and like chocolate and like mushroom teas and all this like wild stuff. But when it comes down to it, like I love for my tea to taste like tea. And I'm not getting so much like oolong taste out of it. It's not like if I tried this, I'd know for sure right away that it's an oolong. If I tried it and didn't know, I might think it's a white tea because it's so like light and like delicate almost. I do taste like a teensy bit of fruitiness from the goji berries. But I'm getting such a nice like floral thing too. Like when I bring it up to like sip it and I smell it, it smells like flowers. Like it smells like perfume. It's like smell of fresh flowers, which is really a nice experience in a tea, I think. I love the smell, but it tastes different than it smells. I really like this tea. I'm not so sure that I would buy it again just because like I think I'd rather have a straight oolong or I would rather have like a stronger ginger tea. So I don't think it's something I would buy like a second time. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of what I have for sure because this is a really pleasant, wonderful tea. But I don't think it's like I cannot miss. Like if you didn't get the chance to pick this one up, I think it's okay. You know, like I don't think I would have been like too upset to have missed this because it's not anything like crazy special. But it's a nice tea. If you're like an oolong lover, I don't think you get as strong of an oolong as you would like. So I'd still prefer a straight oolong. Like I love the tea kuan yin, I love the milk oolong, so I would never like choose this over that. And I think if I was gonna buy like a blended oolong, like something that's not just a straight tea, I think I would choose DAVIDSTEA's Long Life Oolong over this. So it's not like my top favorite oolongs or my top favorite teas or my favorite from this collection, but it's a really nice tea. It's a good experience. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed my first impression of DAVIDSTEA's new Honey Ginseng Defense. And if you tried this tea, let me know in the comments below what you think. Or if you're like kind of drinking through the wellness collection like I am, tell me your favorite so far. My favorite is definitely the ginger turmeric tonic, and I don't think anything is gonna beat that because I think that's like one of my new actual like favorite teas out of like every tea in the world. So that one's gonna be really tough to beat. I hope you're having a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.